Hello semua! Oh, no, do not look for the option to switch language. I'm just trying to speak language of our guests, InstaForex partners from Malaysia. They arrived from the other side of the world to the Czech Republic capital, invited by the head of a partner department of InstaForex Group.
You know, the purpose of InstaForex is not just to do usual business. We love to do things which makes people happy. So that this time we invited our partners and introducing brokers to Prague, to Czech Republic, to give them unforgettable emotions. Moreover, this is not our first time when we provided our partners with such travel. It's less than 1 month ago we organized InstaForex IB Summit in Singapore, so we provided them with the opportunity to visit Singapore and visit sites of Singapore. Moreover, we have had a cooperation with several football clubs, so we have the opportunity to invite our people to football games and to also give them some exciting things.
First of all, I would like to thank InstaForex for this opportunity given to us as a partner, InstaForex in Malaysia. I believe this program will give impact to our business of doing forex trading in Malaysia, especially to increase trust among clients with InstaForex as the #1 broker trusted in Malaysia.
Together we are going to explore streets of the old city, 1,000 kilometers from our homeland. So this is going to be a good task that should be unite and perhaps a great ground for fruitful and successful cooperation. Meeting with the representative of our star team, rally driver Aleš Loprais, became a really pleasant surprise for our partners.
For me, it was a really nice surprise when the people from InstaForex contacted us to do such a nice show here, that we can introduce our InstaForex Loprais Team to the InstaForex partners, customers, and to the people who are connected to that company. You can say great company which is supporting us for almost 10 years in the Dakar racing, and we really appreciate it because it's InstaForex, it's our title sponsor, and without money you are not able to achieve any standings in such a difficult race like Dakar is. So we are really happy that we could meet so many people here in the center of Europe, in Czech Republic, in our home soil, where we are testing the trucks and preparing for the Dakar. So one more time, I hope that you like it here, and we would like to see each other again.
Here with Aleš Loprais Team, and it's a I think it's one of the best memory in my life. To be one of the best driver maybe in the world. Kami semua di sini amat menghargai InstaForex kerana sudi memberi layanan yang terbaik untuk kami semua. Okey, apa-apa pun InstaForex memang broker nombor 1 di Asia.
Remarkably, this meeting is not the only one partnership event. Looking ahead, there are so many places to visit, and InstaForex always gives its partner opportunity to travel around the world. Join our friendly family.